The first Samsung One UI hidden feature lets you have pairs of apps as single shortcuts, tapping on which those two apps can be launched in split screen mode at a time with a single tap. To get these app pair shortcuts, all you need to do is launch two of your combined frequently used apps in split screen mode. For example, a web browser and calculator. Now tap on this line between them, tap on the star button, and then add the app pair to the edge panel. Now whenever you want to use them together, you can simply tap the app pair icon to launch them at a time. You can add the app pair to the home screen if you are on One UI 5.1.1 and above. The next One UI hidden feature comes in very handy for all Samsung users. Generally, when you share anything on your Galaxy device using the Quick Share menu, you get a lot of app suggestions for sharing, including contacts. But most of the time, we have to tap more and then choose the app we want to share the content on. Instead of doing that, you can edit this Quick Share menu and put the apps you prioritize over the rest. To do that, all you need to do is share any file, tap on more, tap this pencil icon, and now you can add your favorite apps, and also you can rearrange the order as you prefer by dragging and dropping. If you don't want your contacts to be shown in the Quick Share menu, you can do so by going into Settings, Advanced Features, and disabling this option called Show Contacts when sharing content. Typing long text on your phone can be frustrating when you often have to reposition the cursor to make corrections. Well, this nifty Samsung One UI hidden feature lets you use your entire Samsung keyboard as a trackpad to quickly place the cursor in the right place. To do that, you simply have to long press the spacebar until the cursor control symbol appears on the keyboard. Now you can move your finger on the keyboard to place the cursor wherever you want easily. With the same keyboard, you can extract text from images or documents without having to launch the camera separately. Simply launch the keyboard on any app where you want to paste the extracted text. Now tap on three dots, find the extract text option and tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, the camera will be launched on the keyboard. Now point it to the image or a document that you want to extract the text from and tap on the text you want to scan and copy. You can then paste the copied text anywhere on your device by tapping on the paste button. Generally, the on-screen pop-up messages or notifications that ask you to take action disappear in about 3 seconds, which may not be enough for a few of you to respond to that notification. Well, guess what? One UI allows us to extend that time. You simply go to Settings, Accessibility, Advanced Settings, and Time to take action. Here, you can extend the time for which you want the temporary notification to stay on your screen up to 2 minutes. The next amazing hidden One UI feature is for you if you use Bluetooth headphones with audio latency. To reduce Bluetooth audio latency on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you need to launch the Good Lock app, go to the Life Up section and select Sound Assistant. Install it from the Galaxy Store if you don't have it already. Open it, scroll all the way down and find Bluetooth Metronome. Simply tap on it and listen to the audio sync carefully on your Bluetooth headphones with respect to the above shown picture and audio. If there is any audio delay, adjust the slider position on the bar below until you hear the sound in better sync. So try this if you are facing sound delay on your Bluetooth headphones. This next One UI hidden feature lets you hide all icons on your status bar. To hide them, simply launch the Good Lock app and tap on the Quick Store module. Here, tap on the visibility of indicator icons and disable the icons you don't want to see anymore on your status bar. You can always enable them back again if you want. You can also hide the clock in the clock settings option. Except for the battery percentage, you can disable all icons on your status bar easily this way. Well, those are a few unknown hidden One UI features you should start using. I hope you found the video informative. Like the video if you did, comment down appreciating it, and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.